Good morning, children. Now, exercise 8.1, 10th problem. Exercise 8.1, 1 to 9th problem, already over. The 10th problem. Read the question. The rainfall recorded in various places of the 5 districts in a week are given below. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. This is etc. Next one is frequency. This is called group data. Already told you now, D equal to either x minus a or x minus x bar. Now I am writing x bar. What is the formula of x bar? Sigma f plus sigma f is the formula for x bar. Because this is a group data. Am I right? That's why you want to multiply both. Am I right? Multiply 225. Multiply 650. Multiply 220. Sorry, 0 to what is the answer? 222. Next step 0, 54, 54. 25, every 2, 32. Here 380. Am I right? Now adding all the value, we get the answer. Adding sigma fx and also sigma f. What is the answer? 0. Remainder 1. Am I right? 9, 11, 15, 20, 24. Am I right? 1, 9, 11, 15, 24. Remainder 2. 4, 7, 12, 14, 20, 22. 2, 2, 4, 0. Sigma is what? Adding 9, 18, 22, 25, 27, 40. Nowadays 2240 by 40. Divide, we get the answer 56. Without decimal. That's why you subtract x bar is what? 56. So point something will come in, you will assume the mean. That will be a is equal to 24 is what? 55 and 60, you will get any one of them. The exact x bar mean, the calculation is easy for you. That's why I am finding x bar. If it is not decimal mean, x bar is b equal to x minus x bar. If it is decimal will come in, you will put x equal to b equal to x minus a. A is assumed mean. Now subtract b equal to x minus x bar. X is this one, minus 45 minus 56. In this way, you want to subtract. Am I right? 45, x is 45, x bar is always 56 minus 1. Then minus 6. Then minus 1, then 4, then 9, 15, 14. Am I right? Am I right? Now, f into d is fd. Am I right? F into d, fd. Fd here, d here. Am I right? What to remove? Very important. Remove this from this column. F into d minus 55. Am I right? What do you mean? Minus 18 into 1, 78, minus 4, 36, 45, yeah, 16 into 1, 56. Now, sigma f equal to, adding all the possible 17 into 1, 6, 10, 30, minus here, 17 into 1, 8, 130. Equal to what? 0. Now, fd square means fd d into fd. Fd I will find out. D also I will find out. Now, multiply both. Minus into minus plus need not square d because multiply f with d, fd. Then d with fd, you will get fd square. Need not square in one column. Don't put the d square in one column because f into d, fd. D with fd square. In the formula, fd square by sigma f, sigma fd whole square now. That's why this is the d fd square. Now you want to remove this two column. Which column? D into this column. D fd. Multiply both. Minus into minus plus 11 into 55. We get the 605. Minus into minus plus 6 into 78. 468. Minus and plus 1 plus of 4. Both are positive. Multiply 144. Am I right? 5, 45, this is 405. 14 into 56, multiply 7 into 4. This is called sigma FD square. All are positive, we will add in the answer 2410. Now write the formula for standard deviation. Sigma FD square is 2410 by 40. This is 0. Okay? The sigma FD is what? 0. That's why 0 being number 0, 1 square also 0. Directly 0. Now divide 2410. 0 is a cancel. Fourth level 241 by 4. You get the answer 60.25. 60 times 0.25. Now square root of this one, refer to the calculation 7.76 is the answer. This answer. Already told you to find the square root of. What is the meaning? 60.25 comma double zero extra going on. Approximately first two digit in 60. What is square root of 60? Approximately 7 7 49. 8 tens are 64. More than 60. That's why 7 only possible. 49. What is the main number? 11. Next bottom two number 25. You put the point. 7 to 7 plus 7 14. Now how many times? 7 times approximately. 7 into 7 49. Remainder 4. 28 32. 3 10. Here 6 what do you know? 11 is 9 plus 7. Double zero. Here 7 plus 147, 454. Now 6 times. 6 is 36. Am I right? 3, 24, 37. 2. Am I right? 30, 33, 3, 9. That's all. In this way you find square root. But this is the answer was 7.76. Very important answer. This is grouped data. That's why sigma FD, sigma FD will come. To find D, we get to method D equal to x minus a or x minus x bar. To find x bar, if it is without decimal, subtract x bar. With the decimal, you will consider any one of the value from x, middlemost value, either 55 or 60 to the calculation. Here, I am assuming x bar now. That's why FD is 0 income. Sigma FD is 0 income. That's why this part 0 income. Easy for you. Suppose not to use method, put D equal to x minus a. A is equal to 15 mean we get the sigma FD some number will come. But number will come means 0 also number will come. Divide, squaring, the subtracting, then only take the square root. Somewhat extra work is coming. That's why to find x bar, but without this will mean we will subtract x bar. Suppose with this one will come is 56 point something will come. Automatically put A equal to middlemost number. Out of total you will make any number. B equal to x minus A to the calculation. This is the idea. This is here. 11th question. Class interval is given. Class interval is given. And F is given. Class interval given. F given. Now, from the class interval, you will find the mid value. Mid value is what? 0 plus 10. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 by 15. All the numbers are in this way, you know. Next number 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Over. Now, here, all the numbers are in this way. 7 numbers are there. The middlemost number is what? 35. Our A is 35. Am I correct? Don't put x bar. The middlemost number is there. Exactly. The middlemost number is there. That's why I will do. Otherwise, you will find a sigma f with sigma formula. Then find x bar or to substitute the value. That is one method. But here, middlemost value, exact number is there. That's why you do the calculation. A is 35. But 5 minus 35. X minus A, no? A is 5. 5 minus 35 minus 30. Next step. 15 minus 20. Here. Minus 10. 0. 10. 20. 30. Am I right? Then F with D. F with D. Minus 19. Am I right? Minus 19. And also one more concept. The class will given now. Class will given. That's why you want to assume A is 35. C is what? 10. All the numbers are increased by 10. That's it. 10. The formula is what? X minus A by C is the D. Now 5 minus 35 divided by 10. That is 3. Am I right? To the complex say 5 minus 35 by 10 equal to what? Minus 30 by 10. That is minus 3. 15 minus 35 by 10. That is what? Minus 2. 25 minus 15 by 10. So 35. Minus 1. 35 minus 35 by 10. That is 0. 45 minus 35 by 10. That is 1. 55 minus 35 by 10. That is 2. 65 minus 55. 35 by 10. That is 3. In this way you will find. Now multiply f into d. Minus 9. Then minus 10. Minus 16. 0. 12. 14. 12. Now sigma f3 equal to all the first values what? 8, 38. Here 26, 37 equal to 1. Am I right? Sigma f is what? 1. Sigma f is what? 16, 0, 38. Actually here 25 only, 35 only. Am I right? 2 is that. Then d with the f3. Minus and minus 3 7 27. Minus and minus plus 2 27 20. 16, 0, 12, 28. Here 36. All are positive now. Now adding all the value, we get the answer. Adding all the value, we get the answer 139. Now, standard is equal to sigma f square by sigma f square, sigma f d by sigma f whole square. Here, in formula d x minus a by c no, that's why multiply c. Previous problem, not divided by c, that's why not multiply c. Divided by c means multiply c. That's that. Now substitute standard is equal to c is 10. Sigma f square 139 divided by sigma f. You will put sigma f also. Dividing sigma f. What is total? Sigma f total is 65. Am I right? Now substitute 65 minus sigma f b. That is what? 38 minus 38. Sorry, 38 minus that is 2 into 3 no. But 3 divided by 65 whole square. 10 into now squaring and dividing, then we get the answer. First divide this one. 139 divided by 65. The 2 the opposite of 4. We get the answer 2.138 minus 3 divided by 65. 0.046 whole square. Again 10 into 2.138 squaring 0.046 into 0.046 equal to 0.002 116. Now subtract this one. 2.138 minus 0.002116. Subtract we get answer 2.136. Now 10 into square root of 2.136 equal to 1.46. Multiply 14.6 is the answer. These are rough calculation. Do the calculation of 4, then we substitute the value. Now here class will give me divided by c, multiply c. Here class rules are not given that experiment need not include c. That's important. Divided by c, multiply c, not necessary. In this particular class rule given, that's why you can introduce c also. You need somewhat extra work actually? That's all. Now listen here. 12th question on the same method. Class will given F given. First adding sigma F. Sigma F equal to what? 30, 90, 27, 26, 34, 84. This is total. Material is given what? 21 plus 24. Adding 45. 45 is equal to 22.5. Yeah. 13, 53. 53 means divided by 2, 26.5. Here. 61. 61 means divided by 2, 13.5. Adding 69. 34.5. Here. 77. 38.5. Am I right? Last 85 divided by 2, 42.5. All the numbers are increased by 4. Class increased 4. What is the middlemost number? The two numbers are there. You will assume smallest number or you can vary the number. I ask you this number. Am I right? There is A equal to middlemost number, two numbers are there. I want to assume small number. Am I right? Now 22.5 minus 30.5. That is what? 8. 8 by 4, 2. That is minus 4. 26.5 minus 30.5. That is minus 4. Divided by 4, minus 1. Get 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, do the calculation only one sir. All the numbers are English number, not only. The F into D. Multiply F into D. Minus 30, minus 18, 20 into 0, 0, 16 are 16, 8 are 16, 21. What is all the positive number? 2, 13, limit 1, 3, 5. Minus here, 48. Equal to what? 25. Then D with FD. Multiply 60, 18. Because minus and minus plus 0. 16 are 16. 2, 6 are 32. 3, 21, 63. Now what is the value? 19 into 1, 80, 189. Am I right? Now the same formula. Substitute here. Substitute 1 by 1. Class number is 4. Square root of 189 by 84 minus 5 by 84 whole square. 4 into square root of 189 divided by 84. Divide both number 2.25 minus 5 divided by 84. Divide 0.059 whole square. 4 into 2.225. Now squaring 0.059 into 0.059. That is 0.0035. Now subtract both. We get the answer 2.2465. 2.2465. Now square root of this one is 1.498. 498. Now multiply 4. You get the answer. You get the answer 5.99. Approximately 6 is the answer. This is enough. Anyway, the squaring, subtracting, taking square root is allowed. You can do yourself. But formula important, method important, very important. The next question, 13th question. The class numbers are 8.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 11.5, 11.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 13.5. This is the class number. The corresponding frequency is given. First order all the corresponding value 19, 36, 50. What is what? 50. Now we want to do that is what adding 0.5, 1, then 18, 18 by 2, 9. Next is what adding 20, 10. All the English will go, you know, that's why 11, 12, 13 will come. Now in the actual middlemost one is what? A is 11. Last symbol is what? All the English will know. What is the answer? 9 minus 11, that is minus 2, divided by what we have it? 10 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Am I right? Now F into D, minus 1, 8 into minus 1, minus 8, 17 is 0, 10 ones are 10, 2 nines are 18. Am I right? Now adding 28 minus 20, that's 8. Now D, minus minus plus 24, minus minus plus 1 is 8, 0, 1 tens are 10, 2 8 is 36. Now adding 18 by 1, 4, 5, 6, 68. The same formula only. The same formula only. In the formula, C is 1 into root of 68 by 50 minus 8 by 50 whole square. 1 need not write. 60 by 8. It's an 68 by 50. Divide. Actually here what? 18 into 1. 4 by 78. 78. Alright? 78 by 50. This one need not write. 78 by 50. Therefore, divide. We get the 1.56. Minus 8 by 50. Divide, we get the answer 0.16 whole square. Again 1.56 minus square 0.16 into 0.16. Your answer is 0.0256. Now subtract 1.56 minus 0.0256 is equal to 1.534. Then square root of this one is 1.213. 1.213 is answer. Ready? Previous 3 problems are the same method. 3 problems the same method. Some of the problems are example. Refer the book. Do yourself. Last 2 questions, some other method. Listen here. 14th question. Refer the question in the book. For a group of 100 candidates, n equals 100. The mean and standard deviation of their marks were found to be 60 and 15. Mean and standard deviations are 60 and 15. This is given. After that, it was found that the scores 45 and 72 were wrongly entered to 40 and 27. The mean is already found out. But it was found that 2 numbers are wrongly entered. What is the correct means also? The given means actually wrong mean. What is the reason? The 2 data are totally, some numbers are there, no? Out of so many numbers, 2 numbers are entered in wrong way. That's why this is called incorrect mean. Incorrect mean. We want correct mean. Am I right? That's why this is only given. X bar equal to what? 60. What is the formula for this? Since x bar equals 60, the formula for sigma x by n equals 60. N is what? 100. So sigma x equal to 100 into 100 into 60 or 60 into 100. 6000. This is sigma x. Now sigma x means what? This is incorrect total. That means what? This is called incorrect total. This is actually incorrect total. Actually, this is incorrect sequence. Am I right? Now what is again? Correct mean is also. That's why we want correct sequence is equal to the incorrect sequence. From incorrect sequence, 2 numbers that it was found that the scores 45 and 72 were wrongly entered as 40 and 27. That means what? Already entered correct wrong. Actually, incorrect sequence plus correct value, correct value minus wrong value. Am I correct? From the incorrect total, you will add in correct value, subtract wrong value. That's called correct sequence. In this was 6,000. Here, what are the correct value? That it was found that the scores 45 and 72 were the wrongly entered 40 and 27. The correct value is 45 and 72. The wrong values are what? Two values 40 and 27. Am I right? Now, adding this value 7, here 67. 0, 50. Am I right? So 6050 is the correct sequence. Now what is our name? Therefore, correct mean. Correct x bar is equal to correct sigma x by n. Correct sequence was 6050 divided by n is 1800. Divide 16.5. This is the first answer over. Okay, now next question what is asking? The correct mean and standard is also asking. Correct mean and standard is also asking. Now this is correct mean. Correct mean. X bar is the formula. Alright? The correct mean will be find out. The given mean is, from the given mean we will find sequence. That's called incorrect sequence. But if you want correct sequence, from the incorrect sequence, adding the correct value, subtract the wrong value, we get the correct sequence. The correct means correct sequence when they will be correct. Similarly, you will find correct standard deviation. Now, why is the standard deviation? Next subdivision is a subdivision. Since standard is sigma x what? 50. What is the formula? Sigma x square by n. Sigma x by n whole square is the formula for standard deviation. Alright. Now squaring sigma x square by n is 100. Sigma x by n. Sigma x is what? Sigma x by n has been. Mean is what? 60. Alright. Sigma x by n 60 square. Okay, 50 square. Therefore, sigma x square is 100 equal to minus 15 square is what? 225 plus the minus plus 3600. Alright? Adding what? So sigma x square equal to adding what? 5283 into 100. So 382500. Am I right? This is sigma x square. This is called sigma x square. This is not correct sigma x square. We want this is called incorrect sigma x square. This is called incorrect sigma x square is 3,82,500. We want correct sigma x square. That means what? Incorrect sigma x square plus the same thing. Correct value minus wrong value. Okay? Correct value minus wrong value. Correct value minus wrong value. Now, this one is what? 3,80,500. The correct value means a square value. 40 square plus 70 square minus 40 square minus 27 square. This is important because sigma x square means square and adding. Correct value means correct sigma x square means the correct value should be added, square and added. The wrong value should be square and subtracted. Now, simplify 38250. The 45 square. That is what? 45 square means 2025. 72 square 5184. 1600. 27 square 729. Adding all three numbers, subtracting, because the total is 38 7380. Am I correct? 38 7380. Therefore, we get the answer correct standard deviation sigma equal to correct sigma square by n minus n. Here what is the answer? The correct mean what you know? Correct mean 16.5 whole square. What is the sigma x by n whole square? Sigma x by n is what? Correct sigma x by n is 60.5 whole square. Now this is actually what? 387380 divided by 100. Now squaring 60.5 whole square. We get the answer 3660. 360.25. Now divide 387.3.8 minus 3660.25. Now subtract, we get the answer 21.355. Second square root 14.61. Let the calculation, but the concepts are easy. Mean means only adding and subtracting. Correct value added should be added, wrong should be subtracted. But if sigma x square means the correct one should be added, square and added, the wrong one should be subtracted, square and subtracted. That's very important. Then the same thing. Some points of these coming. This is the final question. Only one question is the last question. Listen here. Last question one is exercise 8.1. The mean and the variance are given. Is the question? The mean x bar is 8. The variance is sigma square equal to 16 are given. 16. The mean and the variance of the 7 observation of 87. These are the values are already given. Only 7 is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values only given. What is the remaining value? That the remaining observations are A and B. Alright? The first one is since mean x bar is 8. What is the formula? Sigma x by n. Alright? Sigma x mean adding all value 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus what is the remaining value? A plus B. Divided by n is what? 7. 2 8. Now adding all the value here 6, 16, 48, 42. 42 plus A plus B equal to 8 will be 7. The A plus B is equal to, what is the answer? 56 minus 42. The A plus B is equal to, what is the answer? 14. Okay? This is from the main idea, you will find the value of A plus B equal to 14. Now from this data, what are the numbers are given? 5 numbers are given. What are the numbers are given? 5 numbers are given. But we use totally 7 values. The infinite values are A and B now. Adding together 14. All the numbers are 2, 4, English equal to 10, 12, 14. All the numbers are in this way 2. What are infinite number? 2, 4, here 6 and 8 will come. 6 plus 8, 14. Now A and B are 6 and 8. You want to guess the number, that's all. Actually, 5 numbers are given. We want 7 numbers, 2 more numbers. It will be A and B. From the arithmetic data, sum of the 2 numbers is 14. I will find out. As for the given question, 2, 4, 10, 12, 14. Here, first 2 number English way 2. Here also the difference is what? 2, 2, 2. Now, infinite number also, capital 2 will come in on. What is that? 6 and 8 are 2 numbers. That is the answer. Therefore, the given 5 numbers are, what are number? 2, 4, 10, 12, 14. Therefore, 7 numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Therefore, A equal to 6, B equal to 5. Guess the right answer. What is that? Difference should be 2. That's all. If this x is over,